Hey there guys, welcome back to Coders Integrity. In today's video, we will create a UI for fruit shopping app in Android Studio, which I have already created in Adobe XD. So we will try to recreate the Adobe XD design in Android Studio. Also, if you want to see how I have created this design in Adobe XD, then I have already mentioned the link down below in the description box. Also, you can just visit our channel and check it out. Now, let's get started with today's video. So here is the XD design which we are going to recreate in Android Studio. Before actually starting with Android Studio, we will be needing these images and icons from the XD file for our Android project. So let's first export images and icons. So first select the images you want to export. Do check are they marked for export or not. And then click Ctrl E from your keyboard. Select the PNG format, and as we are going to export it for Android project, so select the Android, add the location you want to export your files, and then click on the export option. Similarly, select the icons, then click Ctrl E. As they are the icons, so the format will be SVG, and then select the location and click on export. So here are all the files which we have exported from our XD files. So let's go to the Android Studio and let's start with the new Android Studio project. Let's select the project template with empty activity. Click on next. Give your application a name. So let's say fruit shopping and say finish. So as our project file is ready, now first we will import these assets which we have exported from Adobe XD. So first let's select all the 6 files of images and let's copy them and let's add them into our project file. So go to the C drive, select the user, go to the Android Studio project, select the project file, and into your project file go to the app section, SRC, and in main, in resources, paste all the 6 files of images. Cool. Now in Android Studio, click on the resources and right click on the drawable option and create the new vector assets to import your icons. So let's add the local files, select your path. So as I have saved the icons onto the desktop, so go to the desktop and select the files. You can also rename them, so let's rename them. Click on next and say finish. Likewise, insert all the icons you want to import into your project. So now we are fully ready to create our UI. So this is the Kotlin file and this is the XML file in which we are going to make changes to create our UI. So let's split the screen first and let's delete this text view. Change the device of preview to say Pixel 3 XL as I'm very comfortable with it. So now, as you can see in our XD file, first we will be designing the startup page where we will be adding this image, 2 text views, and then a button. Now we also need to add the colors into our project files which we are going to use. So go to the values and open the colors.xml file and add the colors you want to use in your UI. So let's add the color name, say white. Let's add the hex code which is 6xF. Similarly the black color. Likewise add all the colors which you are going to use into our project. Also we are going to use the gray color and the light color. So let's say gray. And for the gray color, let's take the color code from the XD file. So let's select the text. Let's copy this code. Similarly for light gray, copy the code. Now we also need this yellow color, so let's copy the code for this color as well, and let's add over here. So say color name yellow, paste the code. Now let's go to the XML file, and there let's add the background color to this frame. So here add background and color will be white. Now the first activity main page will be our startup page. So let's take an image view with 300 dp by 400 dp, and let's add the image into this image view. So say src, and let's take the image from drawable. Now let's adjust the constraints. And let's add the margins to them. So let's just change the vertical bias. So let's make it 0. That's it. Now let's take a text view. So for the text view, width will be wrap contain and also the height. Now we are going to add the text in the text view, which is order your favorite foods. You can add the text manually over here, but also you can just add the strings into the strings.xml. So let's add the string. String name will be say title, and let's add the string which is order your favorite fruits. And also we will add this second string which is eat fresh fruits and be healthy. Fine. Now let's go to the activity main.xml and let's give it a path. So say add string title. The size of this text is 40 and it is bold. So let's add the text size 40 sp and text style will be bold. The color of the text will be black. Good. Now let's add just the constraints. Let's set the top margin to say 5. Now let's add the another text view for our titles too. Text size is 20 and the color is gray. So let's add the text size which is 20 sp and text color is gray, and adjust the constraints. Top margin will be 10. Now let's add the button. So say button, say width 150 dp by height 50 dp, and on that button I want the text which is next, and let's set the all caps to false. Now as you can see in Adobe XD file, this button is yellow in color and also the corners of these buttons are curved. So for that, in Android Studio we need to create the custom button. So for that, right click on the drawable and select the new drawable resource file. Let's give it a name, say next button, say OK, and here let's make the changes for our custom button. So let's change this selector to shape, and let's add the shape which is rectangle. Let's add the solid color to our button which will be yellow one, and let's curve the corners. So let's add the corner radius. Now I don't want all these corners to be curved. As you can see in XD file, only these two corners, like top left corner and bottom left corner, is curved. So at the place of radius I will just say top left corner, which will be 15 dp, and similarly for bottom left 15 dp. Now let's go to the activity main.xml and let's add this custom button as a background. Now let's adjust the constraints. So likewise we are done with our startup page. Now let's create this login page. For that we need to create the new activity. So right click on the layout, say new activity, and let's select the empty activity. Let's give this activity a name, say login, and click on finish. Let's split the screens and change the device preview to Pixel 3 XL, and let's add the background to this. Good. Now as you can see in Adobe XD, for both startup page and login page we have the same image with same constraint. So let's copy the code for the image we have added to the startup page, and let's paste this code into the login page. Good. Now for login page we need to add the text view, and to edit text field where customer will be adding their mobile number as the ID and the password. So let's add the text view first, and let's add the text, say sign in here. Text size will be 30, so say 30 SP. Text style will be bold, and the color of the text will be black. Adjust the constraints. Let's add the top margin, again the 5 or maybe 10. Cool. Now for mobile number, let's take a edit view. So say edit view, width will be say 250 by 50 dp, and we will add the hint for this edit text which will be mobile number. So let's add the hint mobile number, and let's adjust the constraints. vertical bias will be 0, and let's add the top margin as 25. So similar to the mobile number, we also need to add the edit text for password. So let's copy this edit text which we have created for mobile number and let's paste it, and let's change this hint from mobile number to password, and let's add the constraints. And let's add the top margin, say 15, and vertical bias will be 0. And for button, let's copy the same code from main activity and let's paste it into the login page. Adjust the constraints. So here we are all done with designing our startup page and the login page. So now in the next part of this video, we will be designing the dashboard page and the fruit details page in Android Studio. So for that, keep watching and see you in the next video.